my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254. It's been a couple weeks, man. We back and bring y'all another update. So now what we're looking at, as you can see, is some new stuff that's been attached. Turn the light on so y'all can get a better bird's eye view or whatever. So as you can see, got an AC box. Well, from where we left off last time, AC box was torn apart. We got new heater core, new evaporator, new motor, new resistor, and new relay. So all new everything. Even got a bracket for the AC compressor. This is the correct bracket. However, I do not know if this is the correct compressor. It is a Sandin 508, but I've been seeing ones that are like 7 rib or 8 rib. This one only has like 5 of them. So I might have to get like an aftermarket joint. I think I've been seeing them on eBay for like $100. I really want to get it from work, but as you can see, it's just slightly off. It might not even be an issue, I don't know, but yeah, pretty sure it's supposed to line up like everything else. So that might be something we have to go back and we have to visit and go from there. Because I was going ahead and putting the compressor on, as you can see, I went ahead and put the passenger side manifold on. As you can see, it's down and out, and we'll be good to go with that. Shout out to Cortez for those. Yeah, so we about ready to put the AC box back together. We got the seal it so we can seal the box up. And this right here go is right back on over here like it's supposed to. All right, so yeah, that's gonna go back together like that. After we seal it up, put everything on there. Put that on there like that. Get everything bolted down and we'll be good to go. After you find your little holes or whatnot. This one did look to be a little bit different than the one that we bought, so I know that this part was originally like over here on this side. Yeah, I have to do a little finagling and whatnot and make sure we got that the way it's supposed to go. Get those holes to line up. Like I said, this might be a little different than the other one, so might have to make a couple adjustments, but overall, it's gonna mount back there. And pretty much all of the AC system will be new. And then, like I said, got that, and got your relay. As long as all the connections go there, then everything else we can work out, make it do what it do. So yeah, that all go back together. So yeah, seal the box up, put everything back together, and then AC system be complete. No heater boxes were harmed in the installation of this motor. As you can see, nothing was cracked or damaged. Maybe a little bitty baby scratch back there, but Nothing was broken, so that's good to know there. And then from there, that'll wrap that up. And then, like I said, have to do some additional research, man. If y'all know what you gotta do as far as the lines or whatnot, I don't know if I might have to clock. I might have to clock the compressor back towards that way. If need be, I mean, this bracket right here can come off. It ain't no issue. It just holds this relay for the stock setup, but we can remove it. No big, no big. I don't know what that is right there. This is going there, but we're gonna pull out the schematics and make sure that everything is everything, and go from there. And that mounts right there, back on the box. Everything else went pretty normal. The only thing that was kind of different was this fan. Which that might be it right there. But yeah, we'll get it all figured out, get it put back together, and then AC system will be new radiator, new condenser, new oil cooler, everything, man, everything. So, shit, I guess I'm gonna see y'all in a couple weeks. Yeah. We'll bring it back in a couple weeks once we got everything for sure sorted out, and then we'll go from there. By then, we should at least have the research done on where to find what we need, if not already have it. Go through, finish, tighten down pretty much everything else that we need. At this point, the only thing that's not kind of locked into position is the transmission. It's just kind of hanging on the cross member. So we'll have to look at the cross member, see what adjustments will need to be made, if any. And then from there, probably the next thing we'll have to do is install our harness. Which, like I said, everything on this build is a little bit new, because like I said, we changed up damn near everything. Everything on this build was a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? From the car intake to the harness that we're using to the compressor that we're using for the AC. So I didn't want it to be kind of repetitious. I mean, that would have been easier, but I mean, you know, what fun is that? As you can see, we got our upper radiator hose and our lower radiator hose in there. I don't know if we had those in there last time. I got our radiator cap on there. Yeah, so chugging along, man. Chugging along, making progress. Like I said, the next big major thing is gonna be mounting the transmission on the cross member or whatever, getting it in there the way it needs to be, and then installing the harness, probably somewhat in that order. Then we still gotta install the power steering pulley down there, get that installed, and be good to go with that. And that pretty much should be it. We got a power steering line and fitting over here. I don't think we had that I don't think we had that last time. So we'll get that installed. This just goes to the back of the pump. And then the return line will come off of here and go right there to that. I'll take care of that, and then we'll get our exhaust manifold on the other side. And continue to plug away and make progress, man. That's what it's all about. What it's all about. But you know, no rush. You know what I'm saying? It's behind the scenes. It's behind the scenes. So I make sure y'all stay tuned. Future updates, like I said, every couple weeks, man, I'm gonna try to bring y'all significant progress. And we'll go from there. So till the next time, man, it's your boy LSR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strengths. Life is all about choices, choose quality, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.